Threlkeld, Ladies of Justice League.
Hey, LegalShield family, Will Daddy here, chiming in all the way from Auckland, New Zealand. And I'm honored today because I get a chance to recognize all of our new ring earners. The ring earner program at LegalShield has just been incredible. It's been around for many years, by the way. And here's the deal. At every single level of income, there are different rings. So it starts out at $50,000 to $100,000. 150, 200, 300, 500, $1 million, all the way up to $3 million, if you can believe it. I always like to tell people, look, at some point in time when you get serious about your LegalShield business, you're just going to go ahead and put a ring on it, right? Right. And so, family, do me a favor and help me recognize and congratulate all of our new LegalShield ring earners.